So I'm often asked about the best supplements to help detox and cleanse the liver. So in today's video, I'm going to go through some of the most crucial ingredients that are effective during liver cleanses and during detox programs. In my last video, I talked about some of the best foods to eat to support, heal, cleanse, and detox your liver. But to be honest, most of us have had years and years of toxin exposure, if we're being honest. And so in many cases, while eating these foods daily really should be something on our priority list, and obviously a goal, most of us want to take our health to the next level. And so in most cases, your liver is going to need some additional support to reduce this toxic load and this burden. And this, of course, is more easily achieved when you take supplements implementing like detoxification programs. With that said, there's a lot of detox programs out there, a lot of liver cleanses on the market. And one of the reasons I wanted to shoot this video is to help my patients and perhaps even my YouTube subscribers have a better understanding of what these different herbs and nutrients do and why they're important and why I recommend them when you're looking for a particular detox or a liver cleanse for that matter. So I want you to consider a couple things, right? Consider this, chronic liver disease, including fatty liver disease, hepatitis, fibrosis, cirrhosis, liver cancer. These are major global health problems. And if your doctor told you that you have elevated liver enzymes, the information in today's video and the video I did on how to safely detox liver with food is something that you want to watch and maybe even discuss with your doctor. Now, when it comes to liver problems, there really are five main considerations. And I think this is super important because if you have elevated liver enzymes or you have elevated C-reactive protein levels or any other marker, blood marker related to liver function, or outside of blood work, your liver enzymes, why would you want to do a liver detox or a liver cleanse anyway? Well, I want you to consider these reasons. Number one is, when your liver is sluggish, obviously every organ in your body is going to be affected, right? A toxic liver may struggle to make bile, and bile is needed to absorb fats, but also to eliminate toxins out of your body. If you have a hormone imbalance, a sluggish liver can impact the way your body rids itself of excess estrogen, and that could lead to symptoms of estrogen dominance. A sluggish liver can very often lead to blood sugar fluctuations, which in turn can lead to insulin resistance, or even hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Sluggish liver can lead to candida overgrowth. A sluggish liver can also have fatty liver disease, and this can obviously lead to more serious problems if fat continues to accumulate in your liver. We know that a sluggish liver also affects thyroid hormone levels. We know that the liver is the primary site for where T4 is converted into T3. A liver overloaded with pollutants and toxins obviously can't burn fat the way it's supposed to. And so if you're trying to lose weight and you have problems with your liver, you're not going to be able to lose weight as efficiently. So we have to take better care of our liver. And so I want to get into some of the supplements that can support, improve, and even maintain the health of your liver. And so there's really 7 of my favorites. Number one is selenium, right? The liver uses selenium to make glutathione peroxidase. And this is one of the several glutathione-based compounds that are needed for liver detoxification. Ideally, when you are taking a liver cleanse or detox, selenium should be combined with NAC, alpha-lipoic acid, or glutathione. Many diseases of the liver can lead to rigidity in the tissues and local blood vessels, and selenium has been shown to help preserve that elasticity within the blood vessels, but at the same time supporting healthy hepatic circulation. Now, because oxidation is linked to liver damage, antioxidants such as selenium are again vital for preserving liver tissue. Number 2 on my list is alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid has been used to treat patients with liver cirrhosis, liver failure, mushroom poisoning, high-fat diets that have induced fatty liver, hepatitis, liver cirrhosis. Alpha-lipoic acid helps with insulin resistance and even blood sugar problems. Third on my list is N-acetylcysteine, or NAC. Many people who struggle with common chronic health illnesses have depleted glutathione levels. And again, we see this in people with chronic fatigue syndrome, metabolic syndrome, heart disease, cancer, thyroid problems, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's, depression, kidney problems. Again, a lot of different chronic health issues. Your body's ability to produce and maintain adequate glutathione levels is vital to recovery of illness, disease, and even preventing or maintaining your health. So N-acetylcysteine is so important because, again, It's a precursor to many powerful antioxidants, and glutathione is just one of them. And again, glutathione helps neutralize these free radicals that cause oxidative stress and fatty liver buildup. Again, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is a common disease in the liver in which oxidative stress plays a major role, and glutathione protects your liver. Number 4 is milk thistle, right? Milk thistle is one of the most popular liver supplements for treating, repairing damaged liver cells caused by disease, alcohol, medications. In the liver, milk thistle helps protect the liver cells from damage that are also done by heavy metals that the liver works so hard to get rid of. Milk thistle also supports bile flow and the viscosity and supports healthy levels of inflammation in the liver. So again, the benefits of milk thistle are thanks in part to the milk thistle seeds that contain silymarin. It binds to the outside of the liver cell and then basically prevents these free radicals from getting into the cells. It also scavenges toxins that have already been, toxins that have already found their way into the cell. Now, one of the most important functions of milk thistle is its ability to increase your body's production of glutathione, which we've been talking about. That's that master antioxidant that I mentioned a moment ago. Again, with all this talk about glutathione, let's talk exactly a little bit more about glutathione and why you should be taking it, right? We know that it's the master antioxidant in the body. We know it's critical to protecting the cells from oxidative stress. Unfortunately, glutathione levels decline as we get older, or they decline with illness. It's said that by the time we're 65 years old, there's been a 50% reduction in those glutathione levels. And of course, stressors like disease, environmental factors, these things all tax our glutathione levels as well. The greater the stressor, the greater the need for glutathione. Without antioxidants like glutathione, unstable free radicals begin to damage and cause instability. And that sets off a chain of reactions to the cells of our body, right? It damages DNA, it causes inflammation, kills cells, it prevents cells from replicating and regenerating and repairing. And again, this is a situation that becomes chronic many times in people who have chronic diseases. Glutathione could be called a super antioxidant. Not only does it work as an antioxidant, but it also boosts many other antioxidants in our body, like vitamin C and vitamin E. In other words, it helps regenerate or recycle some of these other antioxidants when they've been used up in our bodies. Glutathione also helps remove heavy metals such as mercury, aluminum, cadmium, and lead. Right? Very, very important. It also helps eliminate toxins found in plastics, very often conventional cosmetic products, mold. Again, our body's glutathione production can be halted by intense physical activity, right? So in other words, if we're an athlete and we're putting our body through the rigors of really, really intense exercise, we're going to use up a lot more glutathione than the average person. And that brings us to the next supplement, I believe, that's really, really important, and that's branched chain amino acids and amino acids. Both of these, meaning things like methionine, cysteine, glutamine, choline, histidine, serine, glycine, and again, BCAAs, these are needed for various aspects of liver health. These amino acids that I just mentioned help support the liver's phase 2 detoxification enzymes. And again, in phase 2 detoxification, what the liver is doing is it's taking those toxins and they're making them less toxic. And again, this is why amino acids are so important. Studies done on humans have confirmed that amino acid supplements can naturally and effectively treat non-alcoholic fatty liver disease as well as alcoholic liver disease, which are the two top causes of liver disease-related deaths. Several clinical trials have also found that essential amino acids reduce liver fat as effectively as fenofibrate, which is a top pharmacological treatment for people with high cholesterol and high triglycerides and low good cholesterol. The upside to taking amino acids is they don't come with a long list of side effects the way many of these fibrate medications do. Fever, hives, skin rashes, muscle aches and pains, stomach pain, constipation, headaches, vomiting. These are all side effects of fibrate medications. So again, you may want to consider alternatives here. Last on my list is choline. 9 out of 10 Americans are not consuming enough choline to ensure optimal health. Your brain, your nerve system, they need choline to help memory, mood, muscle control, and many other functions in your body. Choline is a compound that makes up the structural component of fat. Choline particularly is important for liver health as it's required for proper transportation of fat, meaning cholesterol and triglycerides, from the liver cells throughout the body. One of the major benefits of choline is its role in keeping the liver free from this toxic buildup of fats, as well as toxins. Remember, toxins are fat soluble, and choline helps the liver because it prevents the accumulation of fat in the liver, which again can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, like I've been talking about. But again, it can also remove those toxins. Now, the one thing you should remember is that toxins are always lipophilic, meaning that they get stored in our fat cells. And choline helps remove that fat buildup. Okay, well, there you go. Those are my top 7 supplements for improved liver health and liver detoxification. Now it's your turn. What's been your experience with liver detoxification or a liver cleanse? What areas of your health, if you did a liver cleanse, what areas of your health did you notice an improvement in? Again, if you have questions about liver detoxification or any questions that you have from my first video, drop those in the comment section below. And again, I'll do my best to answer those for you. Take care.